to my OpenStack administration tutorials. This video I show you how to install DevStack OpenStack. This is the best way to experiment OpenStack. If you do not know how to install a VM, just watch my part 1 video and come back to this video so that it will be helpful for you to proceed. My virtual machine is already running in the local machine. Just list it. Yeah, it's running. Do an SSH username and followed by the IP 192.168.100.165. This is the IP of my VM. Okay, give the password. Yes, I have successfully logged in. Now, what are the steps we need to do? Better, we can either copy and paste, or if you are okay, we just type the command. Now, what is first command? You just need to add a stack user. Yes, there is a command called user add, which adds a user. Okay, and -s/bin bash. This is used to say that which is the default shell for this particular user, and -d/opt to create stack. This is the home directory of this particular user. I'm just saying this is a home directory, and -m for creating a home directory. Run it. You'll ask the password, give the password. Yes, the user got created. Fine. Now it's time to create a privilege for the user. Sudo privileges we need to provide to this user. Just copy this command and paste it. That is also fine. And this will add no password privilege to this user. So that means this user can log in, install something into this machine without providing any password. Okay, now I'm just switching over to this stack user. Yes, I logged in as stack user. It did not ask me the password, so this is the advantage. Now, once you have done it successfully, just clone this repository, paste this. Now, the cloning of this repository would happen. This take a few minutes based on the speed of your internet. Fine. This is cloning all the repositories. Yes, as soon as it is done, you jump into the DevStack directory. Now you can see that there are different files available, and you can even check the local.conf file is there. If it is not there, you can create one. Local.conf, create a local.conf file. Now paste this content. Okay, now if you want to set your own password, yes, you can set it here. Let me keep the password as Linux. You can give your own password. Let me keep it as Linux. So since it's a demonstration purpose, it's not a problem. Okay, fine. As soon as you created local.conf file, you just need to run this file. Okay, so stack.sh, it's a script file which basically does the installation for you. Basically, the script install the required packages, and later it configure it. And once this is completed, you can start using your OpenStack virtual machine locally, and you can test it like VM creation and so on. This installation takes couple of minutes based on the the speed of your internet. Okay? Just wait for it to complete. According to this website, they say it takes max of 15 to 20 minutes. It's largely depend on the speed of your internet connection. Fine. Okay, once the DevStack installation is done, you will get the host IP and how to access the dashboard, and all those details you get it on the screen. So you can see that this is a successful DevStack installation. So copy this URL and paste it here, and give the password and username of admin. So give the password which you have used during the installation. Oh, wow, it's cool. We have logged in successfully. Now you can start creating users and domain and project. Also, you can manage your networks and you can start creating compute machines and so on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.